Hi everyone, so let's make Arbi stir fry. So to make Arbi stir fry, we'll need Arbi and some vegetables. But look at the Arbi benefit. As you can see, it's also called taro roots and it has vitamin B, C, and it also good for your vision, heart health and blood pressure. So it contains a lot of health benefits. And when you think about the taste, it tastes just similar to potato, very close to potato. The only one difference that it's a little bit slimy. So we'll need some arbi and some potatoes. So peel off the skin and boil them, or you can also steam them until they are cooked. And on the side we'll take some vegetables and some herbs and spices. So these are the ingredients that I have listed on the screen. Just take this. I am taking frozen broccoli and peppers, and over here my arbi and potatoes are boiled. So along with that we'll need some oil. So I'm taking 1/4 cup of oil and some spices. So let's get the marination done. We'll take some salt, turmeric, red chili powder and some oil to marinate them because our beetroot and potatoes are very bland. We need to do some seasoning before we start cooking them. Now they're boiled, so it's not going to take that long. We just need to marinate it until we are done with chopping out vegetables, about 5 to 7 minutes. And over here my vegetables are chopped. Over here I'm just chopping my broccoli stems, which we usually throw it out, but do not throw it out, okay? We are going to use everything. So let's take a cast iron pan, add some oil. Remember, if you have a bigger pan, is also better, okay? Try to take the bigger pan. I did not have a bigger cast iron, that's why, but they are slimy, so we need bigger pots and pan to cook this. Add some mustard seed, cumin seed and carom seed. And as we know it by now, when mustard seed crackles up, we'll add some asafoetida. Asafoetida is very important for digestion, okay? So make sure whenever you do seasoning, add some asafoetida after you are done with tempering. And then we'll add our chopped ginger, garlic, green chili and broccoli stems. And cook them until they are slightly bit brown, especially our ginger garlic chili paste. And then we'll add our carrots. Including that, we'll add some turmeric, red chili powder, coriander cumin powder and salt. Over here try to add less red chili powder because we are also adding green chili. So that's the reason. So adjust the spices and salt according to your taste level, okay? And here I have added some salt. We'll mix everything. Cook it for 1 minute, and not even 1 minute, less than 1 minute, and then we'll add our boiled arbi and potato. As I mentioned earlier, you can even take all arbi, made with arbi only or potatoes only, or you can combine just like what I did, okay? Now let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we are just going to add some salt, Kashmiri red chili. Now over here Kashmiri red chili is just for the color, okay? It does not have any spice level. And add some oil because arbi is a little bit slimy, that's why. Sprinkle some methi. And stir it again. And try to break any bigger arbi or potato that you have. Now once we stir everything, we'll add some broccoli and red peppers. Now we don't want to cook them a lot, okay? So once we stir everything, we'll just close the lid and let them cook for couple of minutes. As I mentioned, try to take a bigger pan, okay? Because my pan was getting small and it was a little slimy. My potato were a little slimy over here. So now they are done with cooking because I don't want to cook them a lot. I don't want my broccoli to be cooked a lot. I want them to be crunchy. So we'll do some seasoning now, which is kasturi methi, amchur powder, minced mango powder and sprinkle some sesame seeds. We'll also garnish it with some herbs, which is cilantro and mint leaves. Now stir everything until they are combined. Now our colorful Arbi masala is ready to eat, but if you want to make it more flavorful, this is the extra step. It's not necessary, okay? If you want to add some oil in the pan, and we'll add some Arbi with some vegetables because I wanted my kids to eat them. That's the reason I did this step. Add some black salt, chaat masala. So after we do some final seasoning, stir everything and try to cook them until they are crispy so that it's more flavorful. Now you can eat them as it is, or you can decrease the oil a little bit, but this step is a must if you want to have your arbi to be flavorful. Now this masala is ready. You can eat this arbi stir fried as it is. You can reduce the oil. You can make however you like it. But remember to sprinkle some lime juice before eating it, otherwise it's going to be very mild, okay? And over here I'm going to show you, you can just roll it up in the chapati and take it to work or anywhere. It would stay as it is because we did not add any water over here. You can give it to your kids lunch boxes, either way it would work. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, arbi masala is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Bye.